Now this is a new element that we haven't dealt with yet. So we have 6.51 divided by 0.3, but there's a general rule when we do division. We don't want any decimals in the divisor. We remedy that by just moving the decimal over until there's no decimals left. But we can't just do it to the divisor. Whatever we do here, we have to do to the dividend. So we're gonna do the same movement here. And the new decimal point comes here. And this is very important because that means the decimal point in the answer comes here now, not here. And now we just do the division as regular. 3 goes into 6 twice. 2 times 3 is 6. Subtract, we get 0. Bring down a 5. 3 goes into 5 once. Multiply. Subtract, 5 minus 3 is 2. And then bring down the 1. 3 goes into 21 7 times. 7 times 3 is 21. And we get a remainder of 0. But our answer is 21.7. 34.2 divided by 0.09. How do we get rid of all the decimals here? We got 2 decimal places, so we got to go once, twice. But what about this one? Well, same thing. We go once, twice. What goes in this empty spot? A 0, of course. And now let's do the division. Just like we were dividing, it's like 3,420 divided by 9. That's all it is. So 9 goes into 34 3 times. 3 times 9 is 27. 34 minus 27 is 7. Bring down the 2. 9 goes into 72 8 times. 8 times 9 is 72. Bring down the 0. And 9 goes into 0 0 times. Right? The decimal would be up there, but we've got no remainder. And we're done right at this point. So the final answer is 380. 9.57 divided by 0.03. Same dealio. Let's move this guy once, twice. Let's move this guy same amount once, twice. Put that decimal right up top. And let's do the division. 3 goes into 9 3 times. 3 times 3 is 9. Subtract. Bring down the 5. 3 goes into 5 once. Multiply by 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. And then bring down the 7. 3 goes into 27 9 times. 9 times 3 is 27. And we're done. No remainder. The answer is 319.